This awesome song features 3 patterns, starting for the verse on a B minor, B, D, F sharp, then going to a D major, D, F sharp, A, and ended on a G major, G, B, D. And we can take those chords in the other direction too. In one hand, starting on B minor, that verse pattern could sound like this. 2, 3, 4. D major, G major. Feel the beat. B minor, D major, G minor. In 2 hands, that verse pattern could look and sound like this. 2, 3, 4. The pre-chorus and bridge feature the same pattern. They go back and forth from an F sharp minor, F sharp A, C sharp, to a G major, G, B, D. Back and forth. In 2 hands, that could look like this. 2, 3, start on F sharp minor, G. Finally, the chorus pattern is going to start on a D major, D, F sharp, A. We're going to go to an A major, A, C sharp, E. Get ourselves to an E minor, E, G, B. And then to a G major, G, B, D. We'll do that twice. Then we'll do 1 iteration of that verse pattern. And then we'll get back to a D major, A major, E minor. The 3 of this chorus. In one hand, the chorus could sound like this, starting on D major, 2, 3, 4, and A, E minor, G. We repeat that. Back to the verse pattern, B minor, D, G. Chorus pattern again, D, A, E minor. In 2 hands, that chorus could look and sound like this. 2, 3, and A, E minor, G. Repeat that. 3rd phrase, B minor, D major, G major. Back to the chorus pattern. But we don't finish it. Nice.